Without a doubt, the ultimate buffet I've ever experienced and our best brunch so far this year. Paano ba naman? 5 premier restaurants combined in one all-you-can-eat experience. I mean, I've never been to a spot wherein you can walk into a restaurant and get anything in plain sight. As in, we're talking about lobsters, steaks, hand-pulled noodles, caviar, desserts, probably everything that you can think of andito na siguro. This is Solaire Resort's Mega Brunch in Pasay, and it's a mega collaboration with 5 of Solaire's acclaimed restaurants: Finestra, Fresh, Waterside, Red Lantern, and Oasis. It was also a good introduction of the restos and what they have to offer. Here are my top dishes per restaurant, starting with Waterside. A top-tier paella, love the very juicy salmon, as well as the tender strip loin. We were seated pala here sa Waterside, and feeling ko ito yung pinakamaganda yung ambience. For Finestra naman, get their smoked salmon, cheese, and cold cuts, specifically yung spicy salami. You can get your steak fix din here. Red Lantern naman is more Asian, so we enjoy their beef noodle soup. Dim sum, we love the hakaw, and of course, the duck. Probably my favorite and my bias, not my first time here sa Fresh, the lobsters, the lobsters, the lobsters. I would, however, skip on the pasta, pero push sa pizza, ang sarap. And of course, all the desserts that you can think of, from macarons, cheesecakes, burnt pass, andito na sa Oasis. Ito ata yung buffet na pinaka nasulit namin. Solaire's Mega Brunch Buffet is a one-time event lang. Grabe, abang-abang na lang tayo if ever ibalik nila, na sana ibalik nila. This is for sure a buffet that you don't want to miss. All 5 participating restaurants are here to stay naman, so you can still enjoy din pa din, or itchoy rather. Ay, itchoy!